babes. It has been a really long time since I've last talked to y'all. How are y'all? I miss you guys so much. I hope you guys are staying safe, of course. So for today's fun video, I'm actually really excited. I'm actually going to try a bougie. Yes, I'm going to use that word because this brand is one of the luxurious name brands from a makeup company that I get to try thanks to Influenster. You guys don't know what Influencer means. I have done a few videos of unboxing. So basically it's a company that sends you products based on your surveys. So it's makeup, beauty, like skincare, hair, etc. So today's video is going to be, I cannot believe I actually get to try it, a Tom Ford lipstick. You guys have never heard of Tom Ford. It's one of the most luxurious brands in the makeup game. Just a lipstick alone, I believe, is around $50. So I was really surprised and very excited that I get to try it out. So this is what it came in, very sleek packaging. Make sure you guys don't see my address. I did open it up earlier, and let me tell you how sleek it is. Normally when you get an Influencer voxbox from any brand, it usually says Influencer, but I guess because it's Tom Ford, or maybe they want to be a little bit more discreet, I actually don't mind. It makes it look super sophisticated. I was very excited about this. Take a look at this. So it's all black, and then even the packaging with the paper wrapper has the initials TF for Tom Ford's logo right there. I didn't want to rip it up. Like, I just don't want to because it's just so sleek and beautiful. Is anyone else like this? Like, I got fancied up for today's video because it's Tom Ford. So I styled my hair, I put some cute little press-ons. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Oh my gosh, I just feel bad just ripping up the paper already. So here it is in all its glory. The Tom Ford lipstick. So in the survey, you got to pick what lipstick shade if you were chosen that you get to try out. So I chose a beautiful nude shade. It's called Casablanca, and my gosh, I cannot wait. I actually did open it up earlier and I was just so excited. I was like, no, let's just wait till we film to actually try it out. And oh my gosh, the packaging, you guys, if you've never seen a Tom Ford packaging, oh my gosh, it's to die for. Not even kidding. Like, if that doesn't scream luxurious bouginess right there, I don't know what does. Look at that. It makes me not even want to use it. Like, I just want to keep it just for my collection, you know? So there again, Tom Ford logo right there. And then, ta-da! Oh my gosh, she is beautiful! Let me get a close-up real quick. You see, can you guys see that? Oh my gosh, she is beautiful. If you were me, would you actually want to try this lipstick or just keep it as is? Because it's such a stunning color, packaging, everything. Everything is stunning. Okay, so I was pretty much right on the ballpark. I actually just looked it up right now on my cell phone to see how much this lipstick is, and it's $55. Holy cow. I've never owned a lipstick around that price range before. I've bought Pat McGrath before, but Tom Ford, I've always been interested. But oh my gosh, $55! I get to try it for free. Thank you, Influenster. So I guess to do a proper review, I have to show you the card. I'm just too excited. So this is the Tom Ford lip color in Casablanca, as I mentioned before. So it's on the card, it says, from bare nude to fire red to deep brown, each lip color shade represents Tom Ford's modern idea of an essential makeup shade. Rare and exotic ingredients including soja seed extract, marrow butter, and chamomile flower oil create an ultra creamy texture with an incredibly smooth application. Specially treated color pigments are blended to deliver pure color with the perfect balance of luminosity for a polished finish. Okay, so that pretty much explains why Tom Ford's brand is a little bit on the pricier end, but you know what? I'm very grateful for this. And look at this neat card. That is fancy. I'm actually going to keep this. I actually did a really nice, soft, glowy, like runway inspired type of makeup look just for this video. You're welcome. Okay, so now here's the part where I'm supposed to do a swatch, but it's just so beautiful. I don't want to ruin it, you know? So I'm just gonna do a quick swatch on the back of my hand. And ooh, that is such a beautiful, stunning lip color. I'm very excited. It's super creamy, very pigmented as well. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. All right, now the moment of truth. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to use it because it's just so luxurious. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have never tried a more rich, creamy, hydrated, pigmented lipstick before in my life. Okay, I can see why this is $55. I can definitely feel a difference between this and my least inexpensive brands, like right off the bat. I know it sounds crazy, but I do work at a makeup store. And oh my gosh, I can, it's just really hard to believe. Like, you have to try this for yourselves. All right, my beautiful babes, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Even though it was a short film, I did enjoy filming. I am going to get back into filming this holiday season. I have a lot of fun videos coming up, and I know you guys are going to enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and join my YouTube familia. If you guys are interested in signing up for Influencer, it is free. I will leave down my referral link so that way you can get sent free goodies as well. You guys are thinking about buying this lipstick, I say do it! Go for it! It's such a beautiful formula, really creamy. I'm actually really impressed, and I'm actually going to add more to my collection. Alright guys, until next time, bye! Mwah.